Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to blend two incredible crochet techniques, the granny square and corner to corner, to create the corner to corner granny square. You can use any size hook or yarn from the corner to corner granny square. In this video we show you the square version, and in the next lesson we will crochet the rectangle one. Okay, now we are going to create a magic ring. Now chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 4 double crochets into the ring. Now pull the tail, and now pay attention because we have 5 double crochet. This is the granny group of 3 double crochets. Then we have 1 double crochet at the beginning and 1 at the end of this first row, and now we are going to work between this group. So first chain 3. Remember, this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work. And now we do 3 double crochets, a group of 3 double crochets into this space between the first double crochet and the first group of 3 double crochets. And now we jump directly into the next space. So here we have 1 double crochet, then we have a group here. Then we jump directly into this second space where we do 3 double crochets, so a group of 3 double crochets. Then we do another double crochet to complete the second row. And of course we are going to increase again as we did before, and we will work into each space. So first chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work. Then we do 3 double crochets here in this first space, so we do 1 group of 3 double crochets. Then we move directly into the next space here between the 2 groups of the previous row, where we do another group of 3 double crochets. And of course we jump directly into the last space here, where we do 3 double crochets and 1 double crochet more to complete this third row. So all we have to do now is to continue to increase until we will reach the desired length. As you can see, in the first row we have 1 group, into the second 2, into the third 3, and so on. So now we will continue to work into this space. So let's repeat together one more time. Chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 3 double crochet into this first space here. Then we move directly into this next space, the space between the group of 3 double crochets, where we do another group, of course. Then we jump into the next space here, where we do another group. And of course we move into this last space where we do a group of 3 double crochets and 1 double crochet more. And all we have to do now is to continue to increase until we will reach the desired length. And now, of course, I will show you how to decrease to complete our square. And decrease is very, very easy. This is a great and easy technique for any beginners that are new to crocheting. So now I'm going to show you how to decrease. It's very, very easy to decrease. You just need to skip the first and the last spaces. So first chain 3, then turn the work, and now we skip this first space and we jump into the next space where we do another group of 3 double crochets. Then we move directly into the next space where we do another group as we did before. We jump into the next one where we do another group. And now pay attention, because we do only 1 double crochet into the last space. This is the decrease row. Okay, so let's repeat together one more time. Chain 3, then jump, skip this first space, then we move directly into the second space where we do another group of 3 double crochets. When we move into the next, where we do another group. And now pay attention, do 1 double crochet into the last space. And if you want to change color, you just leave 2 loops on our hook, and then insert the new color in this way. Then I will do a simple knot, a couple of knots, and I continue to decrease as we did before. So first chain 3, then turn the work, then skip this first the first space, this space here, and we move directly into the next space where we do 3 double crochets. And now we do 1 double crochet into the last space. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. Okay, and as you can see, the square is now complete. You can create large granny squares and turn them into anything you want: garment, elements, totes, even entire blankets. And of course, you can always crochet standard size squares and join them into one incredible project. So in the next lesson, I will show you how to create the rectangle with this technique. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification, and thank you for watching, and I see you in the next lesson. Ciao and tanto love.